Should you leave extra trash bags at the bottom of the trash can to save time when restocking? Leaving an extra bag or two pre-staged at the bottom of the can speeds up refilling and reduces the friction of a simple chore. Choose bags slightly smaller than the can mouth so they stay nested and do not slip when pulling one up. Keep bags in a thin plastic liner or reusable container inside the can to contain any dust or residue and to stop loose bags from absorbing odors or moisture. If household trash often contains wet or sharp items, reserve thicker bags for active use and keep the thinner spare set separated so they do not incur early damage. Rotate the spare stash every few weeks to avoid degradation from humidity or heat, and check for small perforations before use by opening each bag briefly. For multi-bag families, maintain a predictable count such as 2 spares in the can and the rest in a nearby cabinet to balance convenience and cleanliness. Common mistakes are leaving overly flimsy spares that tear when pulled out, which creates extra mess and defeats the purpose. Fix this by testing a sample bag before storing and keep a heavier grade for households with wet or heavy waste. People sometimes let liquids pool at the bottom where spares sit, causing leaks into the spare roll. Prevent that by placing a removable small tray or folded absorbent cloth under the spare stash and by emptying any liquid-bearing containers separately. Another problem is forgetting the stashed extras during routine cleaning, which leads to mold or odors. Address this by incorporating a quick spare bag check into your weekly cleaning checklist and replacing any that show discoloration or smell. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors through a searchable directory that helps people find local pros for home tasks related to waste management and many other projects. We offer a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, recommended products, and real-world experiences that help everyone make better restocking and project decisions.